Got a great case study for you today, making $28,000 in sales in just 7 days using a very viral, that's quite a difficult word to say, very viral TikTok strategy. Now, this particular strategy comes directly from Twitter, so I'll put the link in the description for the guy on Twitter who demoed this strategy, and also the business itself. I'm going to put a link for that, because if you need this kind of product, go and buy it from them. They've got a brilliant product, as you're going to see. Anyway, 28,000 in 7 days. Let's get into it right now. All great products start with a problem. All great products start with a problem that needs solving. Okay, here's the problem. The problem is something called Asian flush, or also called Asian glow. Okay, what it essentially means is there is a protein that's very common in Asians, that when they drink alcohol, for some weird reason, they get this flush in their face. And for lots and lots of Asians, it can be hyper embarrassing to get that. Okay, it's called the Asian flush or the Asian glow. Very interesting thing. That's you, is it? Who is one? Yeah, it's a real thing. It's a problem. More importantly, it's an embarrassing problem that people have that they'd like to solve. Okay, so first thing you want to go do, of course, is go take a look at the search volume for that. Well, turns out our search volume is around about what, 40,000 searches a month on Google for this particular thing, which is more than enough for you to monetize it and make some good money from it. Okay, in terms of search volume, in actuality, some things, even 1,000 searches a month would be enough for you to make some decent money from it. But suffice to say, there's plenty of people who are looking for a solution to this problem. Okay, next we go to TikTok and we type in Asian glow, and we're just going to check what's going on. So we can see here 472,000 views, 2.3 million views, 700,000 views, 250,000 views, 250,000 views, etc., etc., etc. So we know that there are a lot of people on TikTok watching videos about this problem too. So now we've got a marketing channel to utilize to get our product to market. Okay, so now we've got a marketing channel. Next up, we have this. So here is the company. You should go check these out. Actually, I'm going to put this in glowless.co. Glowless.co. There's the link for that. If you have this problem, go shop here. These have got a great website. They've got a great website and a great product. Okay, now quick thing on the website. It is not a complex website. It is not a huge website with loads of different pages. It is not a difficult website. It's a Shopify website, and it's on a Shopify template. I think this is a free Shopify template. Very simple. You know, there's nothing difficult about this at all. Look at these images. They're not particularly great, but it works. It's enough so that it will distribute the product. Okay, very cool. Anyway, something to think about. You don't need to do crazy amounts of technology to get this working. Just need something up. Just need something up. So here's their TikTok account, glowless.co. You might want to go follow these as well. So it's at tiktok.com at glowless.co. Okay, and you can see they tried lots and lots of different videos until finally they got the right formula. and they had 4.4 million views of this video. 4.4 million views of this video. See, Cass? I'm going to give you a link to go watch this video. And again, you're going to think about this video. Let's just press play. I'll leave the sound off, okay? Picture with some text. Picture with some text. Not video. Picture with some text. Picture with some text. And now we've got a lady just wearing the patch. That's the video. That is not a hard video. That's what I want to get across to you. Like, it doesn't need to have huge production values, doesn't need any of that. Clearly, they tried lots of different things until they stumbled upon the formula. Yeah. But once they hit it, it's a very simple video. Okay. Now, the thing I want to show you is this. Here's what I think they've done very, very well. What they did very, very well is they interacted. So as soon as the video started getting traction and started getting people commented on it, they were busy as all hell, answering questions, commenting on things, interacting. And what that does is it tells the TikTok algorithm to spread this out more. And that's the big reason this product went so viral, is because they were willing to interact so much with their audience. Okay. Very, very cool. Very, very cool strategy to make a truckload of money from this. They did $28,000 in total sales in 7 days, zero cost for their traffic, zero cost for their traffic. The video, you can't tell me that's a difficult video. See, easy. The things that's important, again, they tried lots of different things. As soon as one of them went viral, they doubled down and helped lots and lots of people. Their website is not super complex. It just gets to the job done and starts and makes the sale. That's what it does, okay? Gets the job done, makes the sale. That's the way to do this. That's the way to do this. That was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.